This video is related to postulates of quantum mechanics, which is a very fundamental topic in quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is based on the 5 fundamental postulates, and the postulate number 1 is about the description of state. We have a wave function which completely describes a state in quantum mechanics. That is, the wave function of a state contains all the information about state. And the probability for this state can be calculated by integrating the product of the conjugate of wave function and the wave function itself. We have a condition of normalization for this wave function. That is, if we integrate this wave function product of its conjugate and itself from -infinity to +infinity, the total probability should be equal to 1. This is the condition of normalization. Postulate number 2 is related to the operators. That is, for each observable we have a Hermitian operator in quantum mechanics. A Hermitian operator is an operator whose conjugate is equal to itself, and a more general definition is that if we apply it to a ket vector or to a bra vector, the inner product should be equal to same. So this is the definition of Hermitian operator. These are some example of Hermitian operators, which are linear momentum operator, angular momentum operator along the x directions, and the energy operator. Postulate number 3 is related to the measurements. That is, when we measure the observed value in any state, then the only observed values are the eigenvalues. Eigenvalues are the values which satisfy this equation. That is, when an operator A acts on a state, it gives an eigenvalue A and the state itself. These eigenvalues are the only observed values in quantum mechanics. Postulate number 4 is about the average values corresponding to an operator for a normalized wave function. The average value can be calculated from this formula, where we integrate this from -infinity to +infinity, and the operator is sandwiched between the conjugate of wave function and the wave function. Remember, this formula is only for the normalized wave function. If the wave function is not normalized, then this formula will be modified for the average values. So this is all about the postulate number 4. Postulate number 5 is the famous Schrodinger wave equation, which tells us the evolution of state with respect to time. That is, if we have a state psi, which is a function of time, then it evolves in time, and its evolution can be described by the Schrodinger wave equation, which is a Hamiltonian operator acting on wave function is equal to iota h bar time partial psi over partial t. Here h is the Hamiltonian operator, which is the sum of particles' potential energy and kinetic energy. This equation tells us the evolution of state with respect to time. So this is about postulate number 5 of quantum mechanics. Thank you for watching this video.